an AI-generated post for your viewing pleasure. Unlocking the secrets of language models, reasoning with LLMs explained. The future of artificial intelligence isn't just about generating text. It's about teaching AI to think critically. New research explores how large language models can be programmed to reason step by step, elevating their capabilities beyond simple text production to actual problem solving. This breakthrough could be the key to unlocking true AI advancement. Now let's take a closer look at the paper itself. We'll uncover how these researchers frame the conversation around AI reasoning in their detailed survey. Welcome to our channel. In a groundbreaking survey from researchers at Leiden University, we dive into the intriguing world of reasoning in large language models, or L.L.M. This work highlights the incredible potential for artificial intelligence to tackle complex problem-solving tasks while enhancing simple text generation. Today, we're going to break down the key insights from this research and see how prompting techniques can transform machine learning and our understanding of AI reasoning. Let's get started. Before diving deeper, let's cover some key terms you need to know. First, System 1 tasks involve rapid intuitive responses, such as simple language predictions. On the other hand, System 2 tasks require more effortful reasoning. Think of those tricky math word problems where you need to break things down step by step. Another crucial concept is in-context learning. This allows large models to adapt and learn without modifying their parameters. When prompts are structured well, these models can follow logical reasoning chains, enabling them to tackle complex tasks, even when they weren't specifically trained for them. With that groundwork laid, let's explore the technical contributions of the research. We'll see how the authors organize their analysis in a way that shines a light on these advancements. The research team presents a well-organized taxonomy for prompt-based reasoning, categorizing how L.L.M.s can use task prompts to perform reasoning. Key frameworks include generating steps, evaluating results, and controlling the flow of reasoning. These are vital for getting models to think in a structured way. One standout technique is chain-of-thought prompting, which dramatically improves performance on complex tasks. By prompting the model to think step by step, showing a shift in accuracy from a mere 15.6% to an impressive 47%, the study reveals that these models have significant untapped potential. Moreover, the survey underscores the importance of self-assessment and self-consistency approaches. These strategies help reduce errors that can build up during reasoning processes. Such methods are essential in enhancing the capabilities of these language models, making complex reasoning more reliable. Prominent benchmarks like GSM-8, KI, form the foundation for testing these innovative methods. Interestingly, researchers found a compositionality gap when moving from basic to multi-step reasoning, exposing areas where L.L.M.s can still improve despite their promising advancements. Now that we've covered the main contributions of the paper, let's dive into its broader implications. We'll discuss how these findings fit into the ongoing dialogue surrounding large language models. This research is crucial within the rapidly evolving landscape of AI, linking traditional reasoning techniques with modern neural approaches. It's exciting to see how this study influences not just academic discussions, but also reshapes our practical interactions with artificial intelligence. Many earlier studies laid the groundwork showing the capabilities of these systems on basic reasoning tasks. However, this comprehensive analysis digs deeper, revealing multifaceted techniques that promise improvements for even the most complex challenges, bringing significant real-world applications to the forefront. Additionally, the work prompts us to contemplate the fundamental nature of reasoning and the challenges that arise, such as hallucinations and outputs. Addressing these limitations in future iterations is vital, and the researchers advocate for integrating reinforcement learning mechanisms as a way to enhance training alongside prompts. To sum it all up, the journey of reasoning with large language models is heating up. With their incredible capabilities now under the spotlight, the potential for AI that thinks is transforming how we process information and interact with technology. The insights from this survey signal a new age in both reinforcement learning and reasoning, where creativity and problem-solving are more than just concepts, they're becoming reality. As we look ahead, the implications are fascinating. These models could not only assist us but actively engage in complex decision-making, inching us closer to true artificial general intelligence. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore the cutting-edge landscape in AI. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.